Toby turned into a Johnson. Wolfman.
Who did?
The man, Talbot.
Talbot?
Dave's friend.
You show me your wolf man. Where are you?
This year, that looks like a one-timer. That's my problem. I can't move it. I can't win if I can't do it. Sorry. A one-ton pumpkin cannot be moved by 2 guys and a monkey.